Welcome back to the honest tale. Have you ever found yourself hesitating, filled with self doubt, even when you had a dream you desperately wanted to chase? Maybe you've wondered if you're truly good enough, or you've been paralyzed by the fear of what others might think. Building self confidence isn't always a walk in the park, but it is the essential ingredient that turns our dreams into reality. Today's story is all about this journey. It explores why believing in yourself can completely change your world and how you too can start building that belief. Let's meet Maya. She's a wonderfully creative and talented student who dreams of becoming an artist. In class, her notebooks are not just for notes, they are treasure troves filled with breathtaking sketches and vibrant doodles. But here's the catch: she rarely lets anyone see them. At home, Maya's family is her biggest cheerleading squad, always encouraging her. Yet, she still hesitates. The thought of sharing her art, of opening it up to potential criticism or even failure, is terrifying. This feeling is amplified at school, where she's surrounded by classmates who seem so much more self assured. Their confidence makes her own self doubt feel even bigger. Despite her undeniable passion and raw potential, she's trapped in a cycle of wondering if her dreams are just that, dreams and nothing more. The moment of truth arrives when Maya's school announces its annual art competition. Her friends, who've caught glimpses of her talent, immediately urge her to enter. But fear, that familiar old friend, holds her back with a tight grip. She finds herself just staring at the entry form, her mind painting a vivid picture of her artwork hanging on the display wall for everyone to see. And then the whispers of doubt creep in. You're not good enough. What if they hate it? Her sketchbook is bursting with creativity, but her confidence is practically empty. She watches as her classmates eagerly sign up, their faces glowing with excitement and anticipation. Meanwhile, Maya quietly slips away, feeling invisible. The gap between her hidden talent and her very visible hesitation grows wider and sharper with each passing day. She has this beautiful dream of sharing her art with the world, of connecting with people through her creations. But the fear of failure is like a shadow, keeping her hidden away. As she stands on the sidelines, cheering for others' successes, a question echoes in her mind. Will she ever find the courage to step out of the shadows and let her own light shine? One quiet evening, as Maya is lost in her sketching, her mother comes into her room. She sees the focus and passion in her daughter's eyes and gently asks if she can see the drawings. Maya hesitates, her natural instinct to hide her work kicking in, but then, slowly, she hands over her sketchbook, opened to her favorite piece. Her mother's eyes don't just scan the page, they light up with genuine pride and admiration. You have a true gift, Maya, she says softly, her voice full of warmth. Please don't let fear hide your incredible talent from the world. Those words weren't just a simple compliment, they were a lifeline. They echoed in Maya's heart all night long. The next morning, something inside her had shifted. She walks up to the competition sign up sheet, her hands trembling, but her resolve hardening. She remembers her mother's words, that spark of belief she saw in her eyes. Taking a deep, shaky breath, Maya picks up the pen and writes her name down. In that moment, for the very first time, she feels a tiny spark of belief in herself. It's just a small step, a single signature on a piece of paper, but it marks the beginning of a brand new chapter, one where courage is finally stronger than doubt. With the competition date drawing closer, Maya throws herself into her art. She decides to create a new piece, something that truly represents her. She pours her heart, her hopes, and even her fears onto the canvas. With every single brushstroke, something amazing happens. Her confidence begins to build, layer by layer, just like the paint. She starts to actually enjoy the creative process, focusing on the joy of making something beautiful rather than worrying about the final outcome. On the day of the event, the old Maya would have been hiding in a corner, but not this Maya. She stands proudly right next to her painting, no longer trying to blend into the background. Her old fears and anxieties feel distant, like a memory from another lifetime. Teachers and classmates stop by, their faces filled with surprise and admiration, offering kind words that feel like sunshine after a long storm. At that moment, Maya realizes something profound. It doesn't even matter if she wins the competition. She already feels victorious. Why? Because she faced her doubts head on and finally found her voice. This one act of courage opened up a whole new world for her. She joins the school's art club, eagerly connecting with other creative students. She even starts sharing her work online, building a small but supportive community. Her journey becomes an inspiration for others who are also struggling with their own self doubt. Maya's story is a powerful reminder that self confidence isn't just about winning, it's about transforming your dreams, your relationships, and your entire life. Maya's journey really drives home a crucial lesson. Believing in yourself is the very first, most essential step toward any kind of success. It doesn't matter how much talent you have or how much passion burns inside you. If you let fear hold you back, that potential remains locked away. So, if you've ever doubted your own abilities, if you've ever felt that you're not good enough, remember, Maya. Remember that your dreams deserve a chance to become reality. You have to trust yourself. Take that first small, scary step, and then another. Let your confidence grow with every single effort you make. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it will never come. Don't wait for someone else to give you permission to believe in yourself. Start today, right now. The opportunity to shine is yours for the taking, but it's a choice. You have to be the one to step forward. Don't let self doubt steal your future. Believe in yourself now. If Maya's story inspired you today, please show your support by giving this video a like, sharing it with someone who might need to hear it, and subscribing for more motivational stories from The Honest Tale. Always remember, every great achievement in history began with a simple act of self-belief. Join us next time for another uplifting story that will help you grow stronger and more confident on your own unique path to success. Thanks for watching.